Most English learners study for years and still freeze the moment a native speaker says, "Hey, how's it going?" Why does that happen? Because you've been reading English, not living it. Today, that changes. Right now. In the next few minutes, you're going to shadow 350 of the most powerful, most real daily English sentences, the ones native speakers actually use every single day, not textbook English, real English. Are you ready? Let's go. Here's what shadowing is, and why it's the fastest way to speak fluent English. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence and then you repeat it immediately, matching the rhythm, the stress, the speed, the feeling of how it's said. You're not just learning words, you're training your mouth, your brain, and your ear all at the same time. Think about how babies learn to speak. They don't study grammar charts, they listen, they imitate, they repeat over and over until it feels natural. That's exactly what we're doing today. And here's the beautiful thing. The more you repeat these sentences, the more your brain builds automatic fluency. One day soon, you won't have to think before you speak English. The words will just come. Okay, let's start with the basics. Greetings and small talk. These are the sentences you need every single day. Greetings and small talk. Listen first, then repeat. Match my energy, my rhythm, my tone. Here we go. Hey, how's it going? Not bad at all. Been pretty good, actually. What have you been up to lately? Tiniat. I've been pretty busy, to be honest. Long time no see. How have you been? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. It's so good to see you again. What's new with you these days? Same old, same old. You know how it is. Oh, I can't complain. Life is good. Excellent. Did you feel that rhythm? That natural rise and fall? That is American English music. Keep going. You're doing amazing. At work/everyday life. Now let's move into everyday situations. At work, at school, running errands. These sentences are gold. Could you do me a favor? Sure. What do you need? I'll be right with you. Sorry to keep you waiting. No worries at all. Take your time. Can I get you anything? I'm just browsing, thanks. Do you have this in a different size? Let me check on that for you. Nabi. I'll be with you in just a moment. We're all set. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Beautiful. Notice how native speakers blend words together. Do you sounds like yeah. Going to becomes gonna. Want to becomes wanna. That's the secret sauce of natural American English. Opinions, agreeing and disagreeing. Now let's practice expressing opinions, something you need in every conversation. Shadow every sentence. Honestly, I think you're right. I see where you're coming from. That makes a lot of sense. I'm not so sure about that. I have to respectfully disagree. That's an interesting point. But have you considered? You could look at it that way. Absolutely. I couldn't agree more. I think we're on the same page. To be honest with you, if you ask me, don't get me wrong, I understand your point. Excellent. Those phrases make you sound incredibly natural and confident. Keep going. You're building fluency right now, sentence by sentence. Mini dialogue number 1, making plans. Now let's try a full mini dialogue. I'll play both speakers, shadow both sides. Ready? Speaker A. Hey, are you free this weekend? Tunk. Speaker B. I think so. What did you have in mind? Speaker A. A few of us are going to the farmer's market Sunday morning. You should come. Speaker B. Oh, that sounds amazing. What time? Speaker A. We're thinking around 10. Is that too early? Speaker B. No, that works perfectly. Should I bring anything? Speaker A. Just bring yourself and maybe a tote bag. Iktiu. Speaker B. Ha, done. I'll see you Sunday. Did you notice how the sentences connected smoothly? That flow is what you're training. Repeat that dialogue 2 or 3 times. Own it. No. Asking for help and clarification. Let's keep going. These are sentences for when you need help or when something is unclear. Sorry. Could you say that again? I didn't quite catch that. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? What do you mean by that? Could you give me an example? Just to clarify, are you saying, I'm not sure I follow. Can you explain? So, if I understand correctly, let me make sure I've got this right. Does that make sense? Am I on the right track? And those phrases are lifesavers in real conversations. Native speakers use them all the time, so don't be afraid to use them too. Mini dialogue number 2. At a restaurant. Let's do another mini dialogue. This time, ordering food at a restaurant. Shadow every line. Waiter. Hi there, welcome in. Can I start you off with something to drink? And customer. Yes, please. I'll have a sparkling water. And, can I get a few more minutes with the menu? Waiter. Of course. Take all the time you need. I'll be right back. Customer. Actually, wait. What do you recommend? What's popular here? Waiter. Honestly, the grilled salmon is incredible. It comes with roasted vegetables and a lemon butter sauce. Customer. Oh, that sounds amazing. I'll go with that. Waiter. Great choice. And how would you like it cooked? Customer. Medium, please. Yeah. Waiter. Perfect. I'll get that right in for you. Incredible. You just handled a full restaurant conversation in natural American English. That's real progress. Talking about your day / personal life. Now let's practice sentences for talking about your personal life, your routines, feelings, and experiences. I've been really swamped at work lately. I finally finished that project. What a relief. I've been trying to get more sleep. It makes such a difference. I started going to the gym again. It feels great. I've been feeling a little overwhelmed, to be honest. I needed a break. I've been working nonstop. I spent the whole weekend just relaxing. No plans, no pressure. I tried this new restaurant. It was absolutely delicious. I've been getting into podcasts lately. Have you listened to any good ones? I'm really looking forward to the long weekend. Beautiful rhythm. These sentences sound so natural, and now they're part of your vocabulary. Compliments, encouragement, and positive language. One of the best parts of American English culture. People give compliments freely. Let's practice. You did a fantastic job on that. Seriously, that was impressive. I love your energy. You should be really proud of yourself. That was a great idea. I'm glad you brought it up. You're so good at this. I really appreciate everything you do. You always know what to say. Birikiat. That means a lot. Thank you so much. You're amazing. Don't let anyone tell you different. Now, you can not only use these phrases, you'll recognize them when native speakers say them to you. That's double the fluency. Mini dialogue number 3. Phone conversation. One more dialogue. A quick phone conversation. This one's a little faster. Keep up. Person A. Hey, sorry, is this a bad time? Person B. No, not at all. What's up? Key? Person A. I just wanted to check in. How did the interview go? Person B. I think it went well, actually. They said they'd get back to me by Friday. And Person A. Oh, that's so exciting. I've got my fingers crossed for you. Person B. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I'll let you know the second I hear. There. Person A. Please do. Okay. I'll let you go. Talk soon. Person B. Take care. Bye. Perfect. See how fast and natural that felt? That's where you're heading. Every repeat gets you closer. Transition and filler phrases. These next phrases are what make your speech sound connected and natural, not robotic. Actually, now that I think about it, to be honest with you, I mean, it's just one of those things. You know what I mean? Anyway, where were we? Yeah. So basically, what happened was... The thing is, though, at the end of the day, long story short, I guess what I'm trying to say is, these phrases are the gielu of natural conversation. When you use them, you sound like someone who truly owns the language. You just shadowed over 100 essential English sentences. You practiced greetings, opinions, dialogues, everyday language, all in one session. But here's the truth. One listen is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you come back tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after that. Language fluency isn't built in a day. It's built in days. Consistent, committed, joyful practice. So, here's your challenge. Come back to this audio every morning for the next 7 days. Shadow it in the shower. Shadow it on the bus. Shadow it while you're cooking. Make these sentences part of your voice. Because here's what I know about you. You showed up today. You did the work. You're not the kind of person who gives up. And that means fluency isn't just possible for you, it's inevitable. If this session helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more shadowing practice every single week. And drop a comment below. Type, "I'm fluent in 2026. Let's claim it together." I'm so proud of the progress you're making. Now go out there and use this English. The world is waiting to hear your voice. See you in the next one. Take care and keep going.